Now, I know sometimes in this class, at least I think I might have, made you nervous. The effects of stress. It lowers your immunity. It causes a problem with everything in the entire world you can think of. It shrinks your telomeres. It increases your chance of a car accident. So I found this quote of yours and I love it, right? Here's the motto. Life should not be a journey to the grave with the intention of arriving safely in an attractive, well-preserved body, but rather to skid in sideways, champagne in one hand and strawberries in the other, thoroughly used up, totally worn out and screaming, woohoo, what a ride. But you have to have methods so that you can get there with more peace and with more happiness. You've got to make sure that you remember to build in your routine so that every day you get up, you say these words. Today is my day. I'm going to make my healthy choices. Today is my day. I'm going to keep my stress down. You won't be sorry. You're going to love it. Have feedback. Are you okay with this method of an online? I'm fascinated. I can't wait to hear. I feel completely stupid making these recordings and looking into my computer at you guys, but I'm curious. Is this an okay second option to learning things and getting what I think is really cool research so that you guys can get it into your class and get it into your curriculum or your work to make improvements? I can't wait to hear from you guys. I hope you take the synchronicity class because it is more of this class. My client said, I want more of this stuff. So that's where synchronicity comes from. And if you've already taken it, take it again. You don't have to pay for it. I'd love to see you. We'll do a refresher together. I always need refreshers. In the meantime, take care, watch your stress, and enjoy. And don't forget, you have the best job in the world. And there are people coming to school, and there are people coming to your work because of you. You just don't know who they are. And they love you. And you give them purpose.